need to get out of the city right now. We don't have hours, we have minutes. Please, I'm telling you the truth. Look at me. Why won't anyone listen?
If this was predicted 27 years ago, somebody knew something. This is an abbreviated list. I could have made it much longer. You know I can. Fast mutating viral disease pandemics. Genetically developed vaccines. Smart IDs. 1997! I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scream, but DNA database tracking. DNA chips. Get this one. 1997. Gene-based pharmaceuticals. Transmitting genetic instructions for a disease process. How about this one? You ready for it? Wait for it. Artificial intelligence to determine gene patterns. 27 years ago, who had heard about AI? Apparently they had. How about this one? Robots for doing genome sequencing. This one blew me away. Using recombinant DNA for making spike proteins. 1997? It gets even worse. Smart homes. They have a whole chapter on smart homes / smart cities. This one will absolutely floor you. In 1997, you can do the word search and research yourself. They predicted not 2025, but by 2020, that people would be working from home virtually. Nanotech devices, this stuff was never even heard of. Digital currency, and last but certainly not least, vaccination programs run by organizations like the World Health Organization for a global killer that has yet to emerge. First printing, February 1997.
There isn't anything that you ever had. There isn't anything that you own. There isn't any right that you possess that they're not planning on taking away. The United States of America is controlled by this evil archy. They control the money system. They control the State Department. No cash. Cashless society. It's ready to go. Disease could be created. In essence, this is what he was saying.
Future shocker biochip. And this is what Anthony showed you earlier, a biochip. That's an injectable computer chip. An economic mark in the back of our right hands or in our foreheads.
It's time to wake the town and tell the sheeple. We're being led like sheep to the slaughter. What is the purpose? A new world order.
When we are successful, and we will be, we have a real chance at this new world order.
New world order.
New world order.
New world order. New world order. A new world order.
New world order.
New world order. New world order.
I believe we, and particularly you, your class, has an incredible window of opportunity to lead in shaping a new world order.
The affirmative task we have now is to actually create a new world order. A new world order.
New world order is likely to emerge from the current economic crisis.
It's about the future of Europe and a new world order.
I think a new world order is emerging, and with it the foundations of a new and progressive era of international cooperation.
I believe the progress that we have made in the partnership sets us up well for the new world order.
There's a massive shift happening now in terms of world alliances long term.
Well, it's definitely, I think, a new world order.
humanity! Tell me! If you don't let go, Dr. Jones, we'll both die! Then we'll die! My soul is